How to log off someone from Netflix. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log out someone from Netflix. For that, open any browser on your device and on the search bar type netflix.com and press enter to search it. You will reach the official website of Netflix. Here, make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Once logged in, you will find this interface on your screen. Here at the right top, you will find your profile picture. Hover your cursor over your profile picture and some drop-down menu will appear at there. From the menu that appears, click on this account option right here and then you will be taken to this account settings page. Once you reach to this page, here you will find the option manage access and devices. You just simply have to click on this option and once you click on it, you will be taken to the new page where you will find all the devices connected or logged in to your Netflix account. Now if you want to log out anyone from your Netflix account, you just simply have to click on this sign out button right next to the device name and then you will see you have successfully signed out or logged out that person. So in this way you can log out or sign out someone from Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.